The role of property management in real estate investing. You know the saying, don't put all your eggs in one basket. What if I told you that in real estate, property management is the secret to keeping that basket from falling apart? Think about this for a second. You invest your hard-earned money into real estate, but without a proper system to manage it, all those profits can slip through your fingers. In today's video, we'll dive into why property management isn't just a side task. It's the task that could make or break your success as a real estate investor. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to either thrive in your property investment journey or avoid the common traps that cause many to fail. But first, what if I told you that property management could actually save you time and make you more money than you thought possible? 1. The foundation, the importance of property management. Now let's start at the foundation. You might be wondering, why is property management so important anyway? Here's the thing. Property management is the heartbeat of your real estate empire. Without it, your property might as well be a ticking time bomb. You see, poor property management can lead to tenant turnover, late rent payments, legal issues, and worst of all, vacant units. All these things are massive drains on your profit and time. And the last thing you want is to become a part of that statistic. But here's the exciting part. You can avoid all that with good property management practices. Whether you hire a property manager or learn the ropes yourself, effective management keeps tenants happy, property well-maintained, and rents coming in regularly. It's a simple concept. Well-managed properties attract quality tenants, which leads to consistent cash flow. So let's be real for a second. Would you rather deal with the stress of managing tenants and maintenance? Or would you rather enjoy a steady stream of passive income while someone else handles the day-to-day? Think about that for a moment. 2. The struggles you'll avoid. All right, here comes the part that hits home for most new investors. Picture this. You've just bought your first rental property. You're excited. You've heard about the potential for wealth building. But then, bam! Suddenly you're juggling late-night calls from tenants about leaks, dealing with missed rent payments, and wondering if you're even cut out for this whole real estate thing. I'm not saying this to scare you, but this is the harsh reality for many first-time investors who underestimate the power of property management. Without the proper systems in place, these small challenges can snowball into full-blown disasters. For example, imagine you fail to screen tenants properly. You might end up with someone who doesn't pay rent on time, or worse, damages your property, or you skip on regular maintenance because it seems like too much of a hassle. But then one day, you're hit with a broken pipe or a mold problem, and suddenly you're in a nightmare scenario that could have been avoided with a solid management plan. But don't panic. You can avoid these mistakes. And that's what we're here to discuss today, how to navigate these pitfalls and set yourself up for success. 3. The secrets to successful property management. Here's where it gets good. Property management doesn't have to be a headache. In fact, it can be the secret to your real estate success. So how do you ensure you're doing it right? Let me break it down for you. First, tenant screening. Do not, I repeat, do not skip this step. Imagine this. You get a tenant who is punctual with rent, takes care of your property like it's their own, and always communicates. Sounds like a dream, right? But it's not a dream. It's possible when you have a solid screening process in place. Thorough background checks and interviews can save you from a lot of potential headaches down the road. Second, let's talk maintenance. Neglecting maintenance might seem like an easy way to save money, but trust me, it's a dangerous game. A well-maintained property not only keeps tenants happy, but also ensures the longevity of your investment. Schedule regular inspections and address problems before they escalate. This is your wealth we're talking about. Would you leave a chunk of it to chance? Now, if you're sitting there thinking, but isn't property management just a lot of work? Don't worry. Here's the twist. You don't have to do it all yourself. Hiring a good property manager can take the burden off your shoulders. Yes, you'll pay them a fee, but the peace of mind and time saved are worth every penny. But here's the kicker. How do you know if your property manager is up to the task? Let me tell you, not all property managers are created equal, and finding the right one is an art. I'll dive deeper into that in a minute, so stick around. But wait, here's a question I bet you didn't expect. What happens if you ignore property management? What if you try to cut corners, skip tenant screenings, and let maintenance slide? Can you afford to lose money on your investments like that? I'll answer that question in just a bit, but first, let's dive into one last major point that ties it all together. How effective property management can lead to financial freedom. Stick around, because I'm about to drop a game-changing tip that could be the difference between mediocre returns and staggering success. Here's the truth. Real estate investing has made more millionaires than almost any other investment strategy. But it's not just about buying properties. It's about managing them the right way. You don't need to do everything yourself. If you can delegate, streamline, and build the right systems, you'll be setting yourself up for success. In fact, with the right property management practices, your real estate investments can provide you with consistent cash flow, allowing you to achieve financial independence and live the lifestyle you've always dreamed of. Isn't it time you took your investment game to the next level? What's stopping you from investing in property management today and unlocking your path to wealth? I'll leave you with this. Your next investment doesn't have to be your last, but how you manage it could be the key to your future. So what are you waiting for? Don't let poor management derail your potential. Subscribe to this channel, hit that notification bell, and let's keep moving forward on this wealth-building journey together. I'll see you in the next video.